Hello everyone, this is Betty. Today I'll introduce our hot-selling universal milling machine, ZX6350A. Its machine general parameters are as below. Its table size is 1370 mm multiplied 320 mm. Its x-axis travel is 720 mm. Its y-axis travel is 320 mm. Its z-axis travel is 400 mm. Its vertical and horizontal spindle taper are both ISO 40. Its work table maximum loading weight is 300 kilograms. The machine itself will bring one working light and coolant system. And also this machine will bring one machine vise, mill chuck sets, drill chuck arbor, reduction sleeve, and boring arbor. These are wrenches. These are draw bars for milling, and also we will offer these milling arbors to match them. Okay, so this is all about today's share of our ZX6350A. If you're interested, please contact us.